Okay, we got a tornado warning. I'm up checking to see what's going on here. Woke me up. I thought I heard a warning, so I'm checking on the news and seeing what's going on. Well, the storm is pretty much past us, but I can see even from here, a broken tree in the back. You can see the right cut of the branches back there. Hopefully that didn't hit my chicken coop. It doesn't look like it hit my chicken coop, but it's close. I can see another one. Branch broken over there next to the workshop. Big storms this morning woke me up. I told Sarah I hear the wind and I could hear a sound of sirens, so I got up and started checking things out. Got some things to clean up, I'm sure.